In this video, we're going to talk about how you can check your pending deposits on the Chime app. So here this article reads, where's my direct deposit? To see your expected direct deposit arrival time, we will need to click on direct deposit history or direct deposit estimated date. This icon can be found on the app's homepage. Once Chime receives your direct deposit from your employer, payroll provider, or benefits provider, you'll get a push notification and email provided these alerts are enabled in your app settings. So where can you actually see it? Like I said, you can click on direct deposit history or direct deposit, and this is going to show you all of your information. Delays can happen due to factors beyond Chime's control, such as bank holidays or timing from your payer. If delays persist, you can contact your payer to confirm the direct deposit details. And also you need to know all of your payment dates. So for example, here, if you're receiving a direct deposit from a government's benefits payments, you can input your social security or check the social security and SSI calendar, and here you can click on this article to see when you can get paid for when you get paid for your social security benefits. Here you can see this calendar here, and that's basically it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.